What's up, guys? This is Mark from DSGN, and this is, I guess, day 3 or 4, whatever. I have to check when I post this video of me with the Shopify case study. So, this is just, I just signed up. I'm now going through the process of setting up the Shopify store. Um, so I figured I'll do it live. I'm not going to edit it. So if you get bored, just kind of look at my beautiful face. Anyway, um, I'm gonna go through this. If there's any sensitive information, I would just are you selling already? I'm just playing around. I'm not selling products yet. I'm selling, but not online. I sell with a different system. Okay. Which system do you use the most? eBay, because that's what I do. This is the first time I'm doing this, guy. Well, I did this. No, I didn't use Shopify. How much revenue does a business currently make a year? That's revenue, so 1 million. Are you setting up stuff for a client? No. So enter my store. I didn't put in my credit card yet, guys. I just put in my email and information. So let's see what's the deal. So all right, so your trial has just started. So I guess you could get a 15-day trial without even having a credit card. So that's sweet. So online store. So I chose the domain name Trini HQ is the admin. So this is the first time I'm doing this. I haven't looked back at the training to figure out how to build this store. So be a little patient. Order product online store. Blog pages, navigation preferences. I'm guessing this is where I find okay. So the themes, sweet. No themes. So I'm trying to choose a decent theme here. I chose a cool theme before. Um, but I can't remember. What is this? Explore free themes. I did some training with some guys. Yeah, it was Brooklyn that they mentioned. They mentioned to try Brooklyn, but let me see what these others look like. Because what we're gonna do, we're gonna be selling. Um, I don't want to talk to you. We're gonna be selling apparel, like Trinidad and Tobago apparel, maybe some necklaces, even maybe some food. We have a cool idea for that. But if I remember correctly, Brooklyn was the one that they told me to choose. Yeah, so you see, apparel store. So this should be interesting. Um, yeah, so it has men's. I just in my head, right? I could see something like men's, women's accessories or something. So that's sweet. Because remember, guys, like you have to understand. Let me just install this. You have to understand that the whole purpose of this, like, a lot of you guys are looking for like experts to explain a lot of this stuff, right? But you have to understand that what you're trying to create is trust. You're trying to create a website that when someone shows up at the website, they'll be like, okay, this looks professional. It has all the parts. Think about yourself when you're shopping online. You don't want someone to show up to your site and be like, I don't know, right? Like, what is this? So let me see. So it says it's installed. Let me see what customizations they are. Remember, this is the first time I'm doing this, right? So I'll do some more videos as I get more versed in it. But I'm going through showing you guys like it is not that difficult. Like you just get it going. All right, so there's an option for header, left, okay, blah blah. Yeah, I'm sticking with the image with text overlay, use overlay. Yeah, I have to get a decent image here. So I partnered. I don't know if you all watched the video, but I partnered with a designer who's going to be doing a lot of design stuff. So I don't have to worry too much about all the photos and stuff because I'm just not that person at all. Featured collection, blah blah, footer, your product name. Okay. So I'm doing this live, guys. I haven't done this before, and I'm gonna do all the editing live. I may do some studying on how to quicker edit this thing, but I'm doing this live. Okay. Because what? Okay, so my thought, if you guys saw the Brooklyn theme, right? You see an image in the background. My thought is okay. We'll do one like a featured image a month. So maybe like someone wearing one of the T-shirts for that month. So we only have to change that 12 times for the year, right? Like you don't want to set yourself to be doing stuff that you just can't commit to. So yeah, we can edit all this stuff, images, text, slideshow. This is not training, right? This is a case study. So I'm fucking learning with you guys. Search powered by Shopify, TrinityHQ.com. Okay. So I'll have my buddy um, do the logo because this, I actually don't think that looks that bad. To be honest, something basic. I might have to add. I might move the .com. I don't know. It's up to him. I'm not a fucking designer at all. So general settings, colors, text, body text, sale text. I want to add some red in there just because, I guess if the logo is red, there's some red in the logo and red in the items. Maybe we don't need that. Okay. Type. Yeah, I'm not changing any of this stuff right now. Right? The button. No. Okay. Back to Shopify. And I also have to go to GoDaddy and set like forward the domain name to this thing, right? Like, don't think that I'm done here. Let me see what this looks like. I don't. Again, all of this stuff I'm learning with you guys. So if you don't like it, I'm sorry. Like, I'm not even trying to do a short video here. Actually, let me do a incognito to see if the shit is actually fucking live. That would be interesting. Because it's shit. I'm like, I'm not really live. Okay. So it's not live yet. But I like the whole coming soon thing. Okay. I guess there's somewhere customized theme visit admin. Choo, 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 choo. Select a plan. Okay, I'll select the fucking plan. Choo, choo, choo. For some reason, I could be wrong, but for some reason, I thought it was $15 a month. I guess I was wrong. So it's $29 a month. So I guess I'll choose this plan. It's still, I'm in a 15-day trial, so I'm guessing I don't have to. Do I have to add my credit card here? I do. Bill me once a month. Yeah, I'm not trying to. Alright, let me go edit some shit before I put in my credit card stuff. But yeah, so guys, the purpose of this whole thing is just to show you that it's not. I'll do some more like in-depth stuff after, right? When I figure this stuff out, because I'm doing this live. Okay, hi Mark here. Again, feel free. The look and feel of your site can all be. Let me see what this is. Like, this is a message. The look and feel of your site can all be customized within the section. Take some time now. Choose a theme. I'll go again, but as I said, when I did this training with the Alex Beck Academy. Um, the Brooklyn theme is what like they recommended, right? So I'm choosing the Brooklyn theme. I think I chose it already. Online store. Yeah, like team visit team store. I thought it's still saying debut, so I'm guessing I didn't choose it yet. Right? Oh no, published theme. Okay, I did. Okay, published theme. Mm, yes, publish because let's see what it should look like. It's loading. Right, so that's what people see when they first show up. So I have to change like this background image. I have to get a nice sexy image with someone wearing one of the cool T-shirts. Um, yeah, we have to figure that out, right? Um, I'll also visit the theme store for the hell of it. Like I'm gonna choose. I think I'll stick to the Brooklyn theme, but let me just um, check out the theme store. If you guys have any suggestions, please let me know. Like I'm doing this on the fly, guys. Um, let me see, Fanshare. Mm, 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 mm. What is this? So at the top they have some like free themes, right? But if you right under there's most popular, but these themes are $160. This is a trial and error thing, so I'm not paying $160 to like to just hope. So let me browse a little bit. And again, from what these guys told me, the Brooklyn theme looks is the way to go. But I will still mess around a bit just because I know what I'm selling. Beach hut, that's a stretch. I don't want to be corny, right? I want it. I'm already a little corny with the Trini HQ thing. Um, I actually had an idea to sell leather bags, so that's interesting. Mm, mm, this one doesn't look that bad. No, but that's 120. I don't want to pay for a fucking theme. Let me see if I can sort it by free themes. Mm, again, this is the first time in here, guys. So all you guys who did this before and think I'm an idiot, thanks. Brooklyn theme looks cool. Let me see. Okay, so I guess from what I'm seeing here, there are only three free themes, other than the debut theme, right? Um, for the Brooklyn one, I'll need to take like a sick picture for the background. Actually, it may not be. No, 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 no. That may not be a picture of someone wearing one. I have to figure it out. I'm not a designer, so I have to talk to. I'll talk to my buddy who I'm working with on this. Should we? Yeah, because if we're driving, if we're doing paid traffic, they may not we may not land them on the homepage. So we want a classy, clean, professional looking site. All right. So yeah, I'll just stick to the Brooklyn theme. Let me see if I can like browse it and see what it looks like. View demo. Which is crazy because I don't even have like a cell phone, right? So I don't shop online with my cell phone. It could work. I mean, make a clean logo, nice background. Yeah, men's, women's. Yeah, it's clean. Let me see what the images look, how everything is set up. I guess the clothes will be down here. Okay, women's. Oh, okay. So maybe not. Now that I see the woman's page, I kind of like that because you may not need that main image. Bags. Again, I'm just playing around with this, and this shit is free, right? So, um, yeah. So what I'm looking at is once you have like some clean images, the description, add to cart. Yeah, yeah. It has all the social media stuff, and yeah, I don't see why I wouldn't. Because remember, we want a nice, clean, simple store. We're not building an Amazon. We're building a specialty store that's targeted. Yeah, I could see it. Men's, women's, accessory, food, something like that. Yeah, that's just the thought process right now. Shipping rates, contact. What I may do, guys, and this is, I'm not sure, right? But may put a phone number. Like, I have to figure out if I can edit this properly, right? But I may put like a phone number somewhere around. I'm not sure yet. Let me think about it. Yeah, I like this. So, all right. So yeah, I'm gonna choose I'm choosing the Brooklyn theme, guys. Mm, mm. Your theme has been installed. Go to your theme manager. It's still loading. So yeah, so I have no images or no eye products or anything in there, right? So again, I don't even know it's not live yet, but I'm still like just have no patience. Yeah, so it's not live, so it should show like shouldn't be. Yeah, so look at that, right? So you could like set up. Yeah, I like it. You could set up your. Okay. All right, guys. So um, I've already been recording for a while, and I know it's a case study, so it's not all exciting and stuff. But I just want to do all this. Yeah. So we chose the. I decided on the Brooklyn theme, right? So that's already chosen and installed. It's not live yet. And I have 15 days before these motherfuckers are gonna like want to charge me hard. So what I would do is hold on, let me just domains. Let me see what the deal is for. Right? No, I have a custom domain. Add existing domain. So man, doing all this live, right? Hey Mark, take your time, connect your domain name, blah blah. I don't even want to watch your video. I cannot think I kind of think I know how to do that because I've built websites before, but If you need a basic settings, blah, I can forward it to this site, right? I'll watch your video some other time. I'm not gonna watch your video while you guys are watching me watch your fucking video. Um, but yeah, so basically I chose the theme. You guys know I bought the domain name, so I'll install the domain name, forward it here, and can I type the shit in here? NHQ.com, add domain name, to connect, log into GoDaddy. Wow, this shit is like tight. They don't fucking play. They do not play. That's some API shit for you right there. It's fucking kind of sad that I love this shit. Like this, some of my domain names here. Right. Training HQ. Use my domain name. Again, I didn't do any of this, right? So connect to an existing site. Okay. Like I do not know what I'm doing. Online stores, Shopify. We're going to have okay, connect domain name. This is sweet. Like step one, go to Shopify. I did that. I kind of did that. I'm gonna go back. But I did that already. All right. Yeah. Let me. I'll. I'm not gonna waste you any more of you guys' time because I'm sure it's more than 20 minutes. So all right. So what we did in this video, guys, we chose the domain name, we chose the theme, and we kind of halfway connected the domain name. I'll figure it out when I come off this video and do it, and you guys can see me do it. All right. It's 23 minutes, so I don't want to waste any more of your time. Because this is really just me doing this shit, right? Um, but thanks for your time, guys. I know it might have been a little boring. I'm learning this part of this stuff. I'm learning with you guys. Um, so be a little patient with me. Love you guys. If you guys still want to, like, I still drop triple eBay. That's why I make all my money. Yes, she needs to have a couple more spaces. Go in the description. You'll see free training and a link to join the Yashini if you want to drop ship on eBay and Amazon and stuff. If not, stick with me with this Shopify case study thing. And yeah, um, peace. Have a good one. Later. So we chose it. We chose the theme. Yes, the theme.